Higginbotham places insurance for over 500,000 units nationwide, so we know how to react when the market is changing and what the lenders are capable of accepting. When the price is too high, obviously the CAP models don't work for whatever type of loan that the customer is trying to qualify for. We have to find a way to get the price down while staying compliant with the lender's requirements.
The two biggest issues are the increased liability exposures in almost every state. The other is cyber. Cyber's become a massive issue. And then I would say probably the last thing that's coming into play is that we're having wind deductibles in areas that we've never had wind deductibles. People think here 1%, they don't think it's a big deal. 1% on a total destruction, it's not typically a big issue. It's when it's 1% of a $50 million building and you've got a 1.5% of a loss. So all of a sudden it's a huge deductible that's in there. So those are the things that we're trying to address.
So how we get creative is how we manage a customer. We have to make our customer more attractive to the carrier. We want to try to shrink the exposure on the front end. We do that several ways. One is we want to make sure we understand the condition of the roof. If we see issues there, we want to identify those in advance. Other things that we do is before a claim ever happens, we have restoration contractors assigned and ready to react in the event we have a hailstorm or a fire or a flood.
Premiums have increased drastically since 2017. The reason for this is the loss ratios in the habitational space are well north of 125%. We have run the data over the last 10 years on all Higginbotham habitational customers, and our loss ratio is less than 35%. This is a direct result of our Day 2 services. The carrier world knows we provide these services to our customers at no charge. As a result, they provide Higginbotham better terms.
What we do well, or probably the best, is listen to our customers and react to our customers.
The market changes on a day-to-day basis. Carriers are constantly changing their appetite by class, geographical region, and deductibles. Our job is to simplify the process, meet your budget, and get insurance out of the way.